Welcome to the Criterion How to Install. In this video we're going to go through the installation of the aluminium flat skirting. The purpose of skirting is to be used to protect the wall from scuffing and wear and tear. Skirting obviously also provides a neat, clean join where the wall meets the floor. So aluminium flat skirting is available in a number of sizes. It's available in 35mm, 50, 80, 100, 150 and 200mm high, and also available in 1.6mm thick and 3mm thick. Today we're going to go through the 100 by 1.6mm flat skirting installation. 100 by 1.6 flat is used by far the most. What you'll need to install the skirting today, you'll need a miter saw with aluminium blade, you'll need pencil, tape measure and Zip Grip skirting adhesive. The reason for using Zip Grip skirting adhesive is that it means that it's much more thinner than your liquid nails and other construction adhesives, which means it doesn't leave a gap between the skirting and the wall. So before starting, we recommend you ensure the wall is in good condition, the wall is straight and the floor is relatively level. Remembering that if the floor is out by 5 to 10 mil, that should be okay if your floor covering is going to cover that, and provided that you're going to be installing the skirting before the floor coverings are down. So firstly, we'd recommend measuring your walls and then cutting the skirtings to length. When cutting the skirtings to length, you're able to score the back of the skirting and fold it around corners. So this might be the end of the wall, the corner of a room. You're able to score the back and set up your aluminium saw, provided that you've got a miter saw that's got the full slide on it. You're able to then set the depth gauge to cut through half the thickness of the skirting. You don't want to cut any more than half the thickness, as with anodised, it could discolour the seam face of the skirting. So once you've got the skirting all cut and your fold cuts all done, you can then apply the skirting to the wall. So I would recommend with the Zip Grip skirting adhesive, applying it in a zigzag motion up the middle of the length of the skirting, ensuring that it doesn't go too close to the top and bottom of the skirting, as when you push it onto the wall, you don't want the skirting glue to either squelch to the top or bottom of the skirting. So once you've put it on, you're happy with the position, take the skirting off, leave the skirting sitting out from the wall by about 10 or 20 mil. That'll allow the glue to become slightly tacky. When you go back to it after 5 minutes, you'll find that it's quite tacky in texture, and this will allow for the ultimate skirting bond when you go to put it on a second time. This completes the flat skirting how to install.